Why did we apply to this open call? First, as manufacturers, we want to sell more devices Simonio. Secondly, although our main market is Spain, thanks to the connection to the semantic interoperable framework, we want to deploy also this service in other countries, such as Poland and Portugal. And third, thanks to the Interconnect project, we have been able to get in touch with the main stakeholders that are pushing for the digitization of the energy sector.
Sinergy is designed towards providing consumers with real-time insights from their energy consumption. Through this service, users gain access to a breakdown of their monthly consumption, including associated costs. Moreover, it includes the chart Energy Today, which displays daily energy prices and sources, aiding users in identifying optimal consumption times. Within the recommendations section, users receive personalized messages to raise awareness and sustainable behaviors. Finally, the details section offers a comprehensive overview of consumption history, allowing users to analyze trends and monitor individual device usage. This data is obtained through our smart sockets installed in consumers' homes. Our solutions are highly user-centric to help our customers be more aware about their energy consumption. Secondly, we speak their language by depicting data that is familiar to them, such as euros and not only kilowatts per hour, as well as ensuring an easy and intuitive user experience. Finally, the solutions combine the value of our physical devices data together with the power of digital tools that help customers make informed decisions.